Hello friends, welcome to Study Technologies. In our today's session, we will discuss about how to find out the surface area of a cuboid. Okay, now before we go ahead, let me show you how a cuboid actually looks like. So you can see here we have this piece of solid. It has length, width, and some height. Okay, now there are two different things. First one is the volume, and second one is surface area. Volume is something like how much space is actually occupied by the entire solid. Okay, and surface area is how much area this particular planes of a particular solid are utilizing. Indirectly, you can say like we have this particular solid piece, and we want to find out the area of the paper which is required to wrap this solid completely. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try to find out like what is the area of the surface of this cuboid and how we can find it out. So let's go ahead. So before that, let us see how we can look towards the given cuboid. Like if we look from left hand side, it looks like we have height and breadth. That means we are looking from this direction, so we will see this particular plane here, right? In the similar manner, if we look from the topward, or we can try to figure out the top view of this cuboid, we can see this plane which has length and breadth, right? In the similar manner, like if we look at this particular cuboid from the right hand side, we will see this type of plane where we have breadth and height, right? In a similar manner, if we look out about this cuboid from backward, we will again see one plane or a rectangular plane here with length and height. Again, we'll look at from the front view, we'll try to find out the front view. Again, we will get length and height over here, right? And if we check out the bottom view of this cuboid, we will find out this particular rectangle, that is along with length and breadth, right? So as you know that in this particular cuboid we have six panes, right? Six faces actually. Face number 1, 2, 3, 4 from this side, 5 from backward, and sixth one is from downward as well. So we have these six rectangles or these six faces of a particular cuboid. Now the next step is we have to find out the area of each of this face. Alright? So area of this particular face is breadth into height. Similarly, area of this particular face is length into breadth. Then we have area of this face as breadth into height. We have area of this particular rectangle is length into height. I hope all of you know that how to find out the area of a rectangle. Similarly, again we have area of this rectangle as length into height, and finally we have an area of rectangle into L into B. Now what we have to do is we have to find the sum of all these areas whatever we have calculated so far. So the sum is BH plus LB plus BH plus LH plus LH plus LB. You can see here that each area is getting repeated twice. So we can say that the total surface area will be equal to 2 times BH plus LB plus LH. We can say that indirectly that surface area of a cuboid is 2 times the sum of product of length, breadth and height, along with the length into breadth and breadth into height and height into length. So this is how we can simply go ahead. Just remember this is small formula and you can calculate the surface area of a given cuboid. So have a nice time ahead and take a very good care of yourself. If you have any query, any question, please let us know and we will try our best to solve your queries. Thank you so much and bye bye.